What up guys, on this channel we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops and other investments based on crypto, but this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can earn free USDT with Near wallet and the difference between the Near wallet and the bot we're using to mine the Usdt token. First off, when you see this place now, you can see the overview. That's if you have deposits, if you have money there or something. Or the second here now is a portfolio. So once you click on the portfolio here, you can see the Near and also the Usdt token. So this is the Usdt token I'm having recently in my wallet. This is where you can stake your Near coin if you have one. So all you do is just click on the stake and stake how many you want to stake here, and then you get your percentage. Clicking on the Near here, you can get some information which are useful. So you can see the stake and on stake, you can see the sell and buy. So when you click on the sell and buy here, this will take you to the swap. You can see it down here. So on the swap now, we have three ways you can swap. This is the Binance swap. So once you click on that Binance swap, you can see we have the Connect, Aurora, we have the Binance swap and others. So now all you do is just click on the Binance swap, but you need to connect it first before you swap. So there's a video here to watch to make you understand how to connect the wallet, and if you don't want to watch that, all you do is just click on the next. There's a deep connect here and also the view connect. The deep connect will connect everything on Binance to this wallet, like the move assets in one click. You can do that easily with the deep connect. But with the view connect, all you can just do is just view analytics and the portfolio. That's just to view your Binance alone. Anyone you select there now, they're going to take you straight up to the step 1 and step 2. So you need to conclude the step 1 and 2. You need a API key from Binance to complete the steps. So I'm not going to be doing that in this video. I'm just telling you what you should expect. Clicking on this friend icon over here, this is where you can make connect. That is just like adding a friend to your connection, and the more friends you have in your connection, the more points you gain. I'll show you what the points means. So coming over to the profile now, you can see here this is a 5 personal score. That's where the point is very useful. So you can see here now that I have 10 personal scores and I have 1 connection, that's a referral. So you can see over here that the global ranking here is 76,000 plus already now. So every day you sign in on this application, you get 5 score. So once you click on this place here, right, it's going to bring you to this place here. So this is not going to be functioning unless you have like 200 score. So once you have 200 score, everything here will open for you. If you're still with me, like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel. Let's go back into the video. And clicking here on the global ranking, you can see the first or the top 50 users get rewards every week. So as you can see here, the first is getting 40 USDT for this week, the second 30, and the third is 20 USDT. And that is how they break it down to the 50th person. So that is how 50 top users get rewards every week. So you can also join these top users every week to get free USDT. In order to boost up your score, all you do is just click on these all missions. You can see we have 10 here now that we haven't completed at all. So the first one here is to connect your Binance straight to this account. That's exactly what I taught you in the swap function the other time. So that's how to just connect your Binance. And the second thing here is you need to swap more than $10 daily to get this 25 score. That's 25 plus score daily. And the third one here is just for you to know that if you swap more than 1, 2, 3 times and it's more than $10, you get +1 score on every swap you do. And the fourth one here is invitation. So once you invite each friend, you get 50 plus score, and if the friends connect their Binance, you also get 150 straight. That is even more easy. And the fifth one here is 1 score for each like. So once your friends or your connection click on like, you have 10 maximum like every day. So when you get that like too, that is +1 per 1 like. And coming here again, this is another sweet one. All the staking you have on this Near, once you earn 0.02 Near earned from staking, you'll get 1 plus to 200 plus score on this app. Coming down here now, you can see this one. This is for the content creators. So if you create a content on this Near wallet, all you do is just text them, send them the link, and you'll be getting up to 150 score. You can skip this contact support and the read more. You can just skip that for the last one here. The last one here is every day you open this app, you get +5 score. So opening the app alone will give you +5 score. So the more you open the app every day, the more you get your +5 score, even you don't do other things. So that's by the way. These tags are the best way to get into the leadership board to make few dollars or couple of dollars every week, and some of them are continuous while some of them are just once, but the more you continue to do them, the more you stay on the loop and earn $3 every week. If you check on this portfolio again, you can see on the alt I have 1.3 alt token. So going back to my Telegram bot now, you're going to see the 1.3 alt token as it is here. So now you can see on my balance I have 1.3 alt token. So clicking here now, I can get this reward because it's yet to get full, because I receive these tokens every 3 hours instead of every 2 hours. I've made a boost, so I will show you the boost also. So let me click on the claim alt now. So most times when you click on the claim alt, they pop up this for you. So you have two options: either you deposit the _NER or you just continue with the alt. So most times I just continue with the alt because I've not deposited the _NER. Coming over to the boost here, right, you can see I have level 2, level 2 and level 3 because I've upgraded the 3 of them. So the next level to upgrade here now on the metal storage, it's from level 2 to level 3, which I can claim every 4 hours instead of 3 hours. So all I need to upgrade this is 0.5 alt token. So once I have that, then I'm good to go. For the stone fireplace, you can see I need to upgrade from level 2 to level 3 with just 1 alt token. And for the last one here, I need to upgrade from 1.5 to 1.8, and with this I don't even need alt token to upgrade. All I do is just open the mission and then I complete the mission. So that's just the update for today. Like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you all in my next video. Stay always blessed.